Welcome to the tutorial on Blackboard 9 for the Edit Mode option. With Blackboard 9, there are several new features available. The one we're going to review in this tutorial is the Edit Mode option. By default, the Edit Mode is turned on with every class that you are listed as the instructor in. By the Edit Mode being on, you can see or change any of the course menu buttons that you wish. For example, if we click on the double arrows here that drop down, this gives us a menu to rename or hide or delete. So with the Edit Mode on, you've got access to make changes to menu buttons and also content. If I hit the drop down menu next to this file, you can see I have edit, delete, copy, all the different options for this file that the instructor mode has available. If I choose to turn the edit mode off, this puts me in a generic student view, which means I can see how things look when the student signs into my class. There are no more options there. There's the button's gone. It just takes me right to that option if I choose it, instead of having an option to modify it or change it. You can also see the arrows are gone next to any content that I have in the class. So I can't change anything, but this is how you can tell what your students see. But you want to be careful, because even though this allows you to view what your students see, you're still not technically in a student account, which means if you take a test with this edit mode off, if you take a test, it's still not going to show up in your grade center where you can see the results. Or you cannot complete an assignment as a student. It still won't show up in the grade center next to your name. If you want to sign in and see everything as a true student would, all of the functions you want to have available as a student, you still must use your zero student account that you're given with every Blackboard class you have. So you sign in with 0, your username, and your password is the last 4 digits of your social. Once again, that's how you want to check and see everything as a student. But this edit mode on and off allows you to view things from a student perspective. You can see the menu buttons and you can see the content available to them. One thing you want to remember is however you leave this option when you close out of this class is how it will remain. So if I turn this off and I sign out of the class, when I go back in, it will be off. So you want to make sure you turn it to on and leave it that way. That way it doesn't catch you off guard when you sign into a class and all of your controls are missing. Also, when edit mode is off, these options disappear because students cannot see those. So you lose your file, your options here, your ability to change the course menu editing, and also the ability to edit files. Thank you for watching the tutorial on edit mode. If you have any questions, please call 622-3000 to speak to one of our consultants.